I'm training to reclaim my title as Thumb Wrestling Federation Champion. Say hello to the new and improved Captain Esplanade! That's who we're drawing tonight, folks. The reigning Thumb Wrestling Federation Champion, Captain Esplanade. For many years, Captain Esplanade has been on the sidelines with his one catchphrase, otherwise known as "Not I." But after seeing his first final battle against Ouch, well, the final battle for Ouch versus the Lost Viking, it inspired him to climb back into the ring and not be on the sidelines anymore. He won his first battle against the Big Time, then against Itsy Bitsy, and was the first wrestler to ever defeat Bucks Gazillion. And his final fight was against Scoutmaster Scott. How can I forget? You, sir, have inspired yourself to become a hero. I even wrote a song about you. Captain Esplanade. If he were to reveal himself in the arena again, I would have his first fight against Sick Vic. And then in Season 2, his next battle would be against Cactus Jeff. That'd be a really interesting battle. There we go. There he is. That's how you draw Captain Esplanade from Thumb Wrestling Federation. Any requests? Not I!